Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Alex and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. I am in Morocco, so I've been surfing and I've been enjoying myself. But still, I want to keep on coding. I want to keep on doing LeetCode problems. So let's look at this. Determine if two strings are close. The strings are considered close if you can attain one from the other using the following operations. Operation 1, swap any two existing characters, so we exchange A, B, and E, and we get this, so these ones are close. Operation 2, transform every occurrence of one existing character into another existing character, and do the same with the other character. So yeah, in this case, Akab Bisli Bay. So we replace all the A's with B's and all the B's with A's. Can use the operations on either string as many times as necessary. Given two strings, word 1 word 2 return true if word 1 and word 2 are close and false otherwise. I guess the first thing we can do is if the lengths are different, then we can return false. So that's case 1. If length of word 1 is different than length of word 2, return false. That's first thing. Second thing, what can we do? So ABC, BC, A. Yes, I just switched A. No, wait. Yeah, I just switched A with B. No, yeah, A with B, so it's BAC, and then B with A with C, BCA. So I did operation 1, the swap, twice. And in this example, Kabba up, I can replace. I can do Kab. So I'm currently thinking that I think you can start with any word and turn it into another word that is, as long as the count of the unique characters are the same. Does that make sense? So let me look at this. So ABC, it has 1A, 1B, 1C. Word 2, BCA, same thing. This word, of course, not. And then Kaba is at 1C, 2 A's, and 3 B's. The last one was 1A, 2 B's, and 3 C's. So that works. I think this is enough. So what we can do is, from collections, import counter. And then we just say word 1 counter equals counter of word 1. And word 2 counter equals counter of word 2. And so I'll counter values. I just want to get the values. I don't care what words they are, what characters they are. I just want to know how many times they repeat. So I'm not sure. Okay, no, yeah, let's do that. And values, then list. It's actually not going to be true, and I know why. So why is this not going to be true? Because it seems like operation 2, you replace all the C's with B's and B's with C's. So I think what we need to do is also do sets and check if the sets are the same. So if the unique characters on each word are the same, and then if the counts are the same regardless of what characters do the counts, then we can do it. We can say it's a closed word. So there's like more optimized ways to do this, but let's just do it a simple way. So word one unique chars equals set of word one. I'm just going to sort them so I can compare them. No, I think I can compare this. Let me try it. So Python free. I'm gonna create A is gonna be the set of 4, 5, 6, and B is the set of 6, 5, 4. A, B. So it's actually the same. I don't need to sort them. So word to unique chars equals set word 2. So if they are different, return false. And now I can count the values. Let's count the values. Just gonna sort them. Sort word 2 kind of values. And I'm just going to return if they're equal, because we came this way, so either they're equal or false. Okay, it worked. And I got beats 80% in performance and beats 38% in time, in memory. Well, I'm happy with this. I hope you guys are happy. Let me show you Morocco once again, and see you later. Bye.